My name is Jasmin and I'm a graphic designer and visual artist based in Singapore. I like to think that my work comes really close to eye candy. I experiment a lot with typography in my work, anything to do with bright colors and heavy textures. I think that as a true artist, there isn't only one style or aesthetic that I attach myself to. So I usually find my sources of inspiration from music, people, places, interesting discussions that I read online, or even have with my friends. I love having a clean workspace by the window, and one of my favorite things to do is to pick up my sketchbook and start drawing letters over and over until I find something that I really like. If there's anything about my art, it's that I love incorporating heavy textures and bright gradients into them. So I came up with a really cool trick that lets you do both of these things with just one brush. In Photoshop, you want to start off with a white background layer, add in a new layer. The brush that we'll be using is Kyle Webster's Real Watercolor brush, and it should look something like this. Then we're gonna add in a new curves adjustment layer. Make 2 points and change the first point's values to 31 and 144, and the second point's values to 147 and 5. Then we're gonna add in a brightness and contrast adjustment layer. Finally, we're gonna add in a gradient map, and the gradient that I will be using is this one here. Hit OK, and we can go back to the drawing layer, and it should look something like this.